In this example, we have a lot of data, again, for the whole year from months January to December. Again, when we type in the first column, again, number one is interdata is shown. So in the first column, when you start typing the text, you'll notice that it'll overlap. Again, you can click in between the A and the B to stretch or drag a column. So you can stretch the column like that. And we said if you move in between the A and the B onto that line, you'll get that cross symbol. And when you get the cross symbol, if you double click it, auto fits to the widest content in that column. I'm going to move this over here. Excuse me. Number two is to enhance with the font, color, size, and style. So we're going to click on the heading in A1. Going to change the font. We're going to select this font. We're going to change the size to 20. I can put it in bold. And we're going to change the color to orange. Again, if you hold the mouse over it, you'll see the actual color name. These here, you'll notice that there's this color, for example, is gold, accent 4, lighter 40%. If you move to the next one, it's gold, accent 4, lighter 60%. And if you move up again, it's gold, accent 4, lighter 80%. Again, we're going to go with the orange. And that's our heading Brown Thomas there. The style then is, for example, you can highlight data in a spreadsheet and you can change the style of that. Several different ways. If we go to data, come back to the styles there again in a second. So the number 3 is the enter formula to add ranges. So again, we want basically to add the numbers here for January to give us a monthly total for each of the 5 Brown Thomas stores. So again, when you want Excel to perform a calculation for you, you put in equals. Sum is the actual function to tell it to add all numbers in a range. And then we highlight the numbers in that range. Again, notice in the formula here, at the very top in the formula bar, it's equals, which tells the Excel that it's going to perform a function. Sum tells it to add them up, and it's going to add up all of the numbers in the range C3 to C7. Again, we can click on the bottom right corner. So again, you'll notice if you move the mouse on top of the bottom right corner, you'll get the cross. Click on it and drag it across like that. That's the autofill, and it automatically fills the formula across. You notice. So on the first formula, it's equals some C3 to C7. The next one is D3 to D7, E3 to E7, and so on. In the yearly total, again, we're just going to autofill, or fit, sorry. Put in equals, sum, bracket, and this time we want to go from C3, colon, up as far as N3, bracket. And again, we can click in the bottom right corner and autofill that down. That's your formula. The next now is set to autofit. And again, all we do is move in between the two columns, double click, that auto fits to the widest item inside the column. Like that. And again, when you're saving this, you're going to save it as data autofit. Again, you click on file. Again, save as or save a copy. Click on browse. Select your OneDrive folder. And again, the OneDrive folder here, you'll see if that's not there, log into Office 365 into your OneDrive folder and click on sync. That will connect here. And when you click on your folder, then you'll select your spreadsheet folder inside here. Type in your name and click on save. The other thing there I mentioned earlier was the styles. So let's say, for example, if you highlight the columns here, you can go in here to I was just looking there a second ago. You go into cell styles and you can select your various styles inside here. So for example, if you selected one of these, let's just go for, we're going to select heading 2, or maybe even this one, accent, gold accent, click on that one. You can see that it has changed the style of the data at the top here. Again, we're just clicking save.